Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to prove chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. First, you will need a potted plant. Place this plant in a dark room for about 2 to 3 days. This crucial step ensures that any pre-existing starch in the leaves is used up, making your experiment more accurate. After destarking, carefully cover a small, specific section of one leaf with an opaque material, like black paper or aluminum foil, to block out all light. Once your plant is prepared, move it into a location with bright sunlight. It's important to allow the plant to remain in this sunny spot for several hours, ideally between 4 and 6 hours. During this time, the parts of the leaf exposed to light will actively carry out photosynthesis, producing new starch. The covered section, however, will not receive light, preventing starch production there. After sufficient light exposure, carefully detach the experimental leaf from the plant. First, boil the leaf in water for about 1 minute. This helps to break down the cell walls. Next, immerse the leaf in a beaker of ethanol or methylated spirit and heat it gently. This process effectively removes the green chlorophyll, making the leaf appear pale or white. Finally, rinse the leaf in warm water to soften it, preparing it for the final test. For the final step, lay the now colorless leaf flat on a white tile or Petri dish. Carefully add a few drops of iodine solution, ensuring it covers the entire leaf surface. Observe the color change. Areas where starch is present will turn a distinct blue-black color. The parts of the leaf that were exposed to light will show this change, while the covered section, lacking chlorophyll and thus unable to photosynthesize, will remain a yellowish-brown, clearly demonstrating chlorophyll's vital role.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.